Alright, hello everyone, let's unbox this thing. One more from AliExpress. Alright, at least this one came in a box, different than the other one. Warranty card. Okay, here we go. It is so cool. It is cool. I know it's just a rubbish watch, a rubbish Chinese brand, but you know what? It is quite cool. It's like the Joker. I'm wondering if these eyes they move. Alright, let's remove this thing. Is it working? Ooh, that's cool. Fine. What time is it? 2:09. So should be around here. Assuming this is the hour. Fine. I don't know what this is for, the mouth. It's not a watch that you're gonna wear to see the time, to be fair, because it's completely rubbish. It is really rubbish. You can't really see the time on this, and you can't adjust it properly. I'm not sure if there is battery on it. It is cool, but that's it. Nothing else. It is a cool design, just a piece of, I don't know, you go to the bar and people will talk about it, but part of that, nah. This strap is the basic one that you would buy from eBay or Amazon, but it has a cool design, which is okay, it's alright. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is working. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? Right. I really don't know. Let me put on my wrist and see how it's going to sit. So I didn't see the minute moving it, so I'm not sure if there's battery or not, but to be fair, I'm not gonna even bother. Oh, I see. This move? Okay, why this moves? Right, his tongue moves. It's quite fun. Again, it's cool, it's nice, makes me laugh, so that's fine. The watch is completely rubbish, but it makes me laugh. I love it. Look at the tongue. Look like a bloody kid playing the fucking watch. Alright. Well, what do you guys think? I don't know. It's cool. Anyway, let me know.